Hi everyone, this is group 1. Myself Inam, my team members are Amal, Febin, Alan and Sandeep Singh. Our project is about analyzing Stack Overflow data. Stack Overflow data dump posts.xml file is what we are processing today. We used Hadoop 2.7.3 and it has dependency on these two files, which we use to build our Avro files, 1.7.4 jar and MapReduce. Then we check the size. It's like 76 GB, which is complicated structure. So we decided to process the XML file before doing the analysis. We converted that XML to Avro file. For that, we created a Java program which takes XML as input and produced multiple posts of Avro files. So this is the code. We first clean it and we build the project. This is a screenshot for first we clean the project. That's the first screenshot shown on the left side. And on the right side, that's the building of the project. And the output will be saved to the Azure. We execute the below command from same directory you see in jars. We used Hadoop 2.7.3 and it has dependency on these two files, which we use to build our files. Execute the generated MUN jar file by passing path to XML file and path to output folder. So step 1. This is the code for that. And next, at the end of the execution, it will generate multiple Avro files from the XML file, which will be loaded into Hive table later. So step 1, create a Hive table and load it into Avro data load the Avro data to the database. So this is a schema for our database table, and as it's just shown, this is the schema for it. So the first screenshot is of the creation of database table. Second screenshot is we are confirming data is loaded properly in our table. So top the selection ID, create, all those are listed below. These are the top 10 records that's shown. Next step is to find out number of unique days in our table. So we found that 3,959 unique days in our database. Next step is to check number of unique post types in our table. We found that we have 1 to 8 number of post types. So the next step is to save unique dates to HDFS for further processing or for the future reference. So we create a bash script to save the dates from HDFS to local system as a text file. So this is the script for that. Okay, it reads database from the HDFS and save it as a text file. So next, building data warehouse. Since we have 8 unique post types and 3,959 unique dates in dates.txt file, run the below script by passing the dates.txt file. It exports high query result to temp folder and then copy that data to the warehouse directory. So this is the script file for that one, and these are the screenshots. The first screenshot on the left top shows the script, and the next one is the below, just below that is the running, and the first right topmost shows the generator folders and the subfolders, and the last right bottommost one shows it reads sample data. So we here have two questions for our project. So the first questions we are having is, what are the top 10 most answered questions in Stack Overflow post for a particular creation date? So the query is shown below. We write a script which reads data from user like date and post type. Then in background, Hive query will be executed and result will be saved into a text file. So the first is a screenshot, script reading, and it shows which date you want to let us enter the post types all, and the second screenshot is the output for that. The same way we have another question. This is the script file, and for the next question we have here, what's the percentage of Stack Overflow questions that were not answered in say 2015? So if a date is given, so this is a script file query for that question, and this is the output for that. So we have around that's precisely 13.536 some percentage questions were not answered in which if the date is given 2015, so we can give any date. So for that given date, this is the percentage we get the output. So we get this question for which year we want to search. That's the query for that script. That's the script for that. And this is the output for our question, and it will be saved as a text file. So our project video link is shown below. Thank you.